Okay, coming to you on a windy morning here in Englewood. Everybody's cranking up, getting ready to take off, but I got to show you this Auburn boat tail first. The cars were supercharged. You know, these cars take you back to the day of like Clark Gable, and all the big Hollywood stars had these Auburn boat tail roadsters. And look at that design. So you can imagine for its time when these things came out, to have something like this, it's like you're driving around an airplane. Very, very aeronautically designed, way advanced for its time. And yes, expensive, but oh, so beautiful. Come on, baby. There we go. Just imagine tooling down the highway, looking down that hood right there. Yes, sir. Beautiful car. And this is what dreams are made of. And there you have it. Gauze Garage.